If you Hi, this is Dr. Tim St Onge at Thrive Chiropractic in Branson, Missouri, and this is my wife, Dr. Jenny. Now, today's Wednesday, and on Sunday, we videoed the first treatment that we did on her for knee pain that she was having. And so I treated her on Sunday, and then I treated you again on Monday. Right? Yeah, Monday. So this is going to be the third treatment. And when we started, well, tell them about it.
Yeah, so I'm a runner, and I was having knee pain, not necessarily when I ran, but when I was done, if I would go down the stairs or if I was running downhill, I could feel pain. It was on both knees, right under the kneecap, but it was worse on the right, and it hurt to squat down too. So
yeah, so when we started, she was able to squat down about 30 degrees before she started to have pain.
Yeah, like to maybe here.
I'm gonna have to take that sweater off. I can't see anything.
So I could get to about here, and it was hurting under my knees, and so now I can still feel just a little bit on the right, just very specifically under the kneecap.
Okay.
But it's better, much better.
So you were saying that since we started, the pain has become more localized, right? So there's a smaller area of pain.
Instead of being like all over and kind of diffuse in the joint, it's just very specific.
Okay, so it's doing better. So let's do another treatment today and see what we can do.
Okay. But it was hurting the other day.
So her legs are uneven again, which is kind of pretty typical for her. Making me look bad today.
Making it work then?
Yeah. Turn over. Sometimes when the legs are uneven, the problem is actually in the top part of the neck.
Let me take
So
this
let's
out.
see if we can even out her legs.
Yeah, I could very well have that going on today.
Come over here.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Okay, turn back over. That's better. Okay, so let's get back to the muscles here. See, this is much better than it was for sure. Internal rotation is better. So go ahead and lay with this side up. Oh, wait, not yet. Let me do something else. Lay back down. That's still tight, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Not as tight on that side, but
Okay. Lay with this side up. Okay, bring your leg down. Okay. So this was a really big problem. Go ahead again. This was a really big problem when we treated her on Sunday. Where the deep hip rotators were really, really tight on her, and that wasn't allowing her femur to rotate properly when she was, when her knee was extended. And that's, like you said, the pain was worse when you were going downhill or
Right.
going downstairs or going downhill.
down.
Turn over.
Yeah, well, there was downhill, down the stairs.
Right.
I didn't feel it while I was running, like on a straight line. I was just, I was really concerned as I was coming down the stairs. Like, whoa, that doesn't feel good.
Again.
Oh, that's definitely still sore.
Is it? Yeah.
A little bit.
It's not nearly as tight.
It's not.
No. I mean, it was just completely locked up on Sunday. It was better on Monday, but today's better still.
And I think it's important to reiterate that I stretch. This isn't something you can stretch your way out.
Yeah, no way.
Because I do yoga, I stretch. I know all the stretches, and I do them all the time. You can't get this yourself sometimes.
So now we'll do the rectus femoris again. And again, the rectus femoris is a muscle that crosses both the hip and the knee joint. And so, when the rectus femoris contracts, the hip will flex and the knee will extend. So we have to do the opposite to work it. You said you've run since
Yeah.
Sunday?
And I didn't have any pain.
You didn't have any pain?
Nope.
Did you have any pain afterwards?
I can just kind of feel it, like I said, but instead of being like a diffuse, whoa, what's wrong with my joint? It's just there's a
Sure.
very specific pinpoint, one spot on the right side. It's
Scoot back.
tremendously better.
Okay. So, if you were to say, so when we started on Sunday, let's say your pain was 100%, the problem was 100%. How much better would you say it is now?
75 to 80.
75 to 80%?
Yeah.
That was with 2 treatments?
Yep. Oh, I felt that popping.
Yeah.
Felt good.
Okay, so why don't you stand up and come over here. Let's do another squat and see.
That's still even better. Yeah,
Even
I
better.
don't even hardly feel it at all
Yeah,
when I'm squatting. So that's good.
So again, we're treating on Dr. Jenny. She had some knee pain, and this is the 3rd treatment. But really, after the 2nd treatment, she was about 75% better, able to walk down hills and squat better. So I just thought you guys would like to see that, see a follow-up visit, follow-up treatment to knee pain. If you didn't see the first video, you might want to go check that out just so you can really get an idea of where she started and where she is now. And this is only 3 days later.
30 days.
Okay, thank you guys. Have a great day.